Hi there, Namaste, and welcome to my channel, The Joyful Healing. It's so good to see you here. Have you ever felt stuck in the loop of self-doubt, like you're doubting your every decision and even thinking low about yourself, either in your health, in your career, or in your relationships? And sometimes you're not just able to move forward despite you trying everything, and you kind of feel stuck in this old pattern of doubting yourself. Just check in last 30 minutes maybe. How many times have you doubted yourself, even in taking that small decision? And more than that pattern of self-doubt, it's like that you don't like about yourself feeling that emotion that even makes you feel sad, isn't it? I know it might sound familiar to most of us because at the end we are human and we tend to compare ourselves with others, especially in this, the social media. And even if we have been doing so much, we doubt ourselves a lot. And I have been there too. And today I'll show you how I broke free from this pattern of doubting myself using the two life-changing techniques. EFT, that's an emotional freedom technique, and Ho'oponopono. So if you're ready to break this pattern, then just sit comfortably, take a deep breath in, and let's begin. Just follow with me and repeat after me whatever I say. So first, let's acknowledge our self-doubt, this pattern of doubting ourselves. So we'll start with tapping this point and say with me that even though I'm doubting myself right now, for whatever reason, I deeply love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I feel stuck, doubtful about being successful, I deeply love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I have been stuck in these old patterns for so long, but today I choose to release with love and grace. And even though I have doubted myself so many times, but I am ready to trust in my power now. Now take a deep breath in with me and just exhale and relax yourself. And now, with your two fingers, you can use both your hands or just one hand. Just start tapping along with me and repeat after me with me and say, I'm sorry for thinking low about myself. I'm sorry for doubting myself so many times. At the sight of the eyes, please forgive me for not trusting that life is so beautiful and the life is always on my side. I'm sorry for neglecting so many beautiful things I have done in my life or I have achieved in my life. Under your eyes, I'm sorry for believing these stories my mind keep telling me, keeping me in the feeling of lack, as if I have not achieved anything. Please forgive me for not appreciating myself enough. Under your nose, I love you. I love you, my dear self. Even with all these doubts, I keep having it again and again. At your chin, and thank you. Thank you for showing me that now I can release this pattern. It doesn't have to stay with me for lifelong. Over your crown, even though I doubt myself, I'm ready to release. At your collarbone, say all these feelings of doubt, feeling of lack, feeling low about myself. Release, release, release. I don't need to hold onto all these old patterns anymore. I know it's just an old pattern, and now I choose to let it go. Release, 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 release. At your armpit, say, I'm sorry for carrying this heaviness, for carrying this self-doubt for so long. I'm so sorry for holding on to all these old patterns. Please forgive me for not trusting myself fully. And say, I love you. I love you, my dear heart. And you are safe now to shine and be confident. Thank you, dear universe, for helping me let go of this old pattern of self-doubt and feeling low about myself. Let's take one deep breath in and release. Let's do one more round. Start tapping with me and say again, all the self-doubt I'm having towards my health, release. All the self-doubt I'm having towards my career, release. All the self-doubt I'm having towards my relationship, release, 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 release. At the side of your eyes, this feeling of being stuck, release, 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 release. All the resistance in my body and mind that's keeping me stuck, that's not letting me move forward, not letting me take actions, release, 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 release. Under your eyes, all these old stories, the excuses, the self-criticism that's holding me back, release, 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 release. Under your nose, say, I let go of all the fear of shining and being successful. At your chin, and I allow myself to break free from these patterns. I release all the blocks keeping me in this loop. Over your crown, and I am free to release, to shine and succeed and be confident. At your collarbone, all the self-criticism, all the self-judgment, being hard on myself, release, 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 release. Whatever my body is holding on, any excuses I am holding on that's keeping me stuck in these old patterns, release, 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 release. All the resistance my mind, my body is still showing and not letting me be confident, release, 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 release. Take one deep breath in and exhale. Let's do one last round. And in this round, let's bring in the new energy of confidence, of trust, of positivity. So just tap with me one more time at the karate chop and say, even though I have doubted myself, I'm now ready to trust my power. Even though I have been stuck in these old patterns, I choose to release them now. Even though I know deep inside that I have been resisting my success, I allow myself to shine now. And let's start tapping at the side of your eyes and say, I now choose to live my life from appreciation. I am enough exactly as I am. Side of the eyes, I am grateful for my beautiful life. I trust life and I trust myself. Under your eyes, good things are always on their way to me. And I am so sorry for forgetting my worth. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Under your nose, I choose to love myself. I choose to trust myself. And I choose to live in joy and abundance. At your chin point, and I release all the fear that's keeping me stuck. I release all the self-doubts. Release, 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 release. And I release the need to stay small, to act small. And I let go of the fear of judgment at your crown. And I allow myself to step into my greatness. And I'm free to create success effortlessly. At your collarbone, I release all resistance. I release all self-doubt. And I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to succeed. And I'm ready to trust myself. At your armpit, I am powerful, I am confident, and I am unstoppable. Just take a deep breath in and gently release it. And just notice, how are you feeling now? Is it feeling lighter? Now, just place your hands on your heart and think about all the stories, all the excuses your mind keeps giving to you whenever you are starting something new. All those self-doubt patterns, just remember them. And now you can close your eyes and let's speak directly to this pattern of self-doubt and say with me, I am sorry for holding on to these old stories and patterns that's creating all the self-doubt. Please forgive me for believing that I am not enough, even though I have achieved so much in my life. Thank you for teaching me what I needed to learn. I love you for helping me grow and evolve. Thank you for the opportunities to grow and succeed. And please forgive me for doubting my ability to shine. I love you for guiding me towards my highest potential. Just take a deep breath and visualize all those old patterns of self-doubt, feeling low, living in lack is dissolving like a smoke, leaving your body feeling lighter and free. And imagine yourself just shining brightly, free from all the resistance. Take a deep breath in and say this affirmation out loud with me and say, I release all doubts, resistance, and all my old patterns. And I am free to shine, succeed, and create the life I desire. And remember that every time the self-doubt, feeling low shows up in your life, you can come back to this practice and just a few rounds of tapping with love and forgiveness can just shift your energy and bring you back to trust. I hope you're feeling lighter. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such practices. And also share with others who might need it, just like you needed it. And remember, you are powerful, you are enough, and you are meant to shine. Sending you so much love and blessings. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and be well.